Undo your seatbelt! Undo your seatbelt! Go! Yeah. Is there someone in the vehicle?
2 people in the car.
Go left! Yeah, undo your seatbelt! Undo your seatbelt! Go! Drag! I remember just making eye contact with the 2 occupants, and at that point in time I didn't know how they were going to come out, but I knew that I had to find a way. I remember the feeling of the fire. It was almost unbearable. You're just feeling it, and you know you got to get them out. Undo your seatbelt. Come straight. I'm going to rip you out.
Come on. You there?
Yes. Push that seatbelt in for me, please.
Quickly, sir.
Come on, man.
Duck your head.
Come on.
Duck your head.
I'm so glad to see you alive.
The fact we were where we were at that particular time really favoured the outcome, but for the actions of the officers that attended directly, then we would potentially be dealing with a double fatal on Southwest Highway. Probably within about 90 seconds of getting everyone back, the fuel tank did go up, and it just shook the ground. It was so loud. At the time, it's very difficult, it's very stressful, and you're not thinking about what you're doing or for the aftermath and how that's going to make you feel. You're actually just dealing with everything almost on autopilot.
It's a real pleasure to be able to congratulate the officers from Harvey and Yarloop who responded in such an incredible way to this emergency and literally saved people's lives. Wonderful example of what Western Australian police officers do, how committed they are, how courageous they are, and why we should all be so very proud of them.
Those officers not only did their duty, but their actions were brave. They had no fear of going into that situation. The only concern they had was the safety of those 2 victims and getting them out of the car. Seeing that footage would make every police officer in the state but really proud of what they do as a job. People can be really confident that police officers are out there every day protecting the community.
No 2 days are the same, and that's why I love policing in regional WA.
Always goes through your head is the fact that the car exploded after, so it makes you think we only had, a minute left to go. If someone is thinking about applying for the WA Police Force, I highly recommend doing it. It's extremely rewarding. I've been able to achieve things that I never thought were possible. The fact that she thanked me and said that to me, she goes, "Oh, you saved my life." That, to me, that's everything, job done. But yeah, best feeling in the world.